In a recent case, an expert witness called to testify as an authority on artificial intelligence found their testimony collapsing under scrutiny. The reason, you ask? Well, they relied on fake citations generated by the very AI systems they were supposed to be experts on. This case exposes a very serious vulnerability in how AI is used and misused in our justice system, whether that's intentional or unintentional. So let's break it down. The incident centers on an expert witness whose testimony depended on citations provided by an AI tool. But when opposing counsel investigated those citations, they discovered they didn't exist. That's right, the citations were completely fabricated, a phenomenon known as AI hallucination. This is when AI systems generate plausible sounding but entirely false information. When this happens, it doesn't just undermine the expert using the AI, it can unravel the entire case and tarnish the credibility of our entire profession as expert witnesses. That's why this isn't just a minor mistake, it's a catastrophic error. In a world of expert testimony, credibility is everything. Experts are trusted to provide facts and analysis, and the discovery of fake citations undermines not only the testimony, but the integrity of the entire case, the attorneys who brought this expert on, and the entire justice system in some senses. Look, the irony here is thick as marshmallow fluff. An expert on artificial intelligence discredited by the same technology they are championing. But this story isn't just about one expert's mistake, it's about the broader implications for our legal system. AI is increasingly being used in the legal field from everything from evidence review to case strategy, but as this case demonstrates, AI tools are not infallible. When experts or attorneys rely too heavily on AI without cross-verifying its outputs, they risk presenting information that is not only inaccurate, but completely fabricated. But what's the most alarming issue here? I don't even think it's the AI. It's the human element. The expert failed to do basic due diligence. They didn't verify the citations before presenting them in court. This is a fundamental responsibility of an expert witness, whether you're dealing with AI, digital forensics, shell casings, blood, or any other discipline under the sun. For those of us working in fields where technology intersects with the law, this case serves as a stark reminder. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human expertise. Experts must remain vigilant, verifying every claim, every piece of data, and every citation. So if you're going to use AI in your work as an expert, attorney, or anything else, always verify AI outputs. Assume nothing. Make sure they are correct. Know the limitations of the AI tools you are using, including hallucinations. And credibility depends on accuracy and thorough preparation, which means checking your citations, reading the content of those citations, and making sure they match up with your expert opinion and the findings in the case. At the end of the day, this incident raises serious questions. How do we ensure AI is used responsibly in courtrooms? What safeguards are needed to prevent fabricated data from influencing real-world decisions? And perhaps most importantly, how can we rebuild trust when technology fails so publicly as expert witnesses, as attorneys, and those in the legal field or legal adjacent fields? Look, as AI continues to evolve, it's going to play a growing role in the justice system, just like it is everywhere else in our lives. But with it comes a responsibility to use it wisely, especially in the legal system, because the implications and the outcomes matter so much. The stakes are just too high. But for now, one thing is certainly clear. The human element in expert testimony is irreplaceable, assuming that the human checks their citations. Once again, I'm Lars Daniel, and this is the Forensics Report. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to stay informed about the latest news at the intersection of law, technology, and forensics. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.